Hey everyone, we came out to Sonic tonight. Every night, if you order on the app, you get half price slushes and half price shakes. So we did that. Plus, they have the new Groovy fries for $1 any size. So we figured we'd come check it out. All right. So this is the new Groovy fries. Crispy, salty. Open that sauce for me. They give you a good full amount. What do you boys think of those Groovy fries? Boys?
They're good, they're good.
They're good. For you. Didn't help me do this very well. There we go. You have a Groovy sauce, similar, I guess, in look to Zach sauce. Tastes almost exactly like Zach sauce. Yeah? It's a peppery Zach sauce. It's really good. I like it. Groovy fries. Recommend. 100%. Peace out.